Good morning, y'all. How's everybody doing? Well, we have yet another day of strongly suggested self-quarantine. And so we're complying. And I'm still healing. But the good thing is I have mucus. Mucus is your friend. Dry cough is bad. That means your lungs are being dried out. Mucus means that the body is fighting something, and the way that it does it is it suffocates it. So that's a good thing. All right. Today I have already applied the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder Youth Boosting Skin Perfection Foundation. You know, sometimes these names are just too long. They're just too long. It's a little... They try to make all the claims about the products part of the title, and it just, I don't know, it's getting old to me. It's getting old. Let me see what CoverGirl's doing. Clean, Fresh Skin Milk Nourishing Foundation. At least it just says Clean Fresh. So, I don't know. But, yeah, a lot of them are doing that. Here we have Bourjois Radiance Reveal Healthy Mix. Healthy Glow and Flawless Complexion Hydrated and Luminous Skin Foundation. Do you see what I mean? And then I have my Chanel, which is Perfection Lumiere Velvet. It does say underneath Smooth Effect Makeup, but that's not part of the title. Here's one, Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter. So there's just a few foundations that I have here at my disposal. And I put on the Charlotte Tilbury today. And I am going to go ahead and use my new bronzer. Because like my Rose Bronze Blush from Chanel, this Anastasia bronzer, which is tawny, powder bronzer, can double as both a bronzer and a blush, because it's kind of a cool bronzer. I would probably add some blush because I like a pink tone to my cheeks, not just a hollowing. So let's see how I want to use this. I'm going to go ahead and use a blush brush for this. I also put on my Marc Jacobs coconut serum. Whoops. Coconut serum what am I trying to say? Lip gloss. Lip treatment, I guess. Now, so that I have done the base work all the way around the face. And you can see it's way overdone. Blow out when you do under the nose. When you do the under the nose, it just, anything dark recedes, and so it shortens the nose. Same thing here. It just kind of recedes this white area. And that's true regardless of your skin color. You can be African American, or in other words, you can have brown tones to your skin, yellow tones to your skin, olive tones to your skin, but still to darken it with whatever color you use to darken causes that area to recede. Now I'm purposely blending this out a little past that so it doesn't look like such a line. And I'm rolling it backward, if you'll notice. And I'm going to use the flip side of this and kind of blend this out because the line's too sharp and it's too obvious. So I'm just going to use the other side, and on all three sides I'm just going to get rid of it. Okay, and see that technically, I mean technically that can be a, I mean it's done the effect. It's just whether or not you want a pink color. Personally, I could just leave this the way it is. That's how good that looks to me. But we'll see. So today I'm going to use Did I put on primer? I don't think I did, but that's okay. Somebody across the street, you guys, is taking down a tree, so they got one of those tree things. Tree grinders, if you will. So I'm going to be using the Dominique Cosmetics palette, Latte 2. I did find out there is a 1, and it's got some similar colors, but I definitely would have picked this one. These colors are more me. Got my little fresh makeup towel down here to wipe things off. One of the things I want to wipe off right away is the brushes that I just used, because I also used a foundation brush. What time is it? Oh, I may have company. Okay, so let me go ahead and get started. I'm going to use the color. I'm going to go ahead, because I used all the matte colors yesterday. I'm going to use these 3 frosted colors today. So there's Frappe. And we are going to... Hello? Hey there. I'm filming. Velvet. Velvet, that's enough. And it's obviously very, very frosty. There we go. So let's see, how pigmented is that frost? It looks like more frost than color, to be honest. Yeah. Let's try putting it over the lid, and that will show us. Yeah, it's mostly frost. It's just mostly sparkles. But then we knew this was going to be sparkles, so maybe this is just a finishing only product. Sorry. Very frosty. Okay, I'm going to do, it had a lot of fallout too. A lot of fallout. And again, no real color. Not to speak of. Okay, let's go ahead and use the Nuts Colored Iced Coffee. Wow, a lot of fallout, y'all. Let's see if it says frosty. It doesn't look as frosty. Let's see. Wow, it's dark though. So it didn't really give me much of a transition color I could have used. So maybe we'll use the gold for that. Yeah, that's really a dark color. So there's no need to do any crease color, because this is what the definition part of that would have been, and this is already too dark. So what we're going to have to do is actually blend this off some. And I'm also going to wipe off that brush so that that's not on there later. Velvet, my goodness. Velvet, that's enough. Come here. Velvet, come here. Sit down. You need to be nicer. No. Come here. Oh. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this color now. The Drizzle color. We've used this and this. And this is very, very frosty. This is very dark. And so I'm going to use Drizzle and see if I can use that just with a blending brush to kind of blend these colors down and add another color. Yeah, definitely helped. See how that made transition happen? I'm going to flip it and just kind of blend that out. Both sides. And that just kind of calmed it down a little bit. Yeah, just adding that gold kind of calmed down that dark, dark, dark brown. And, but I am going to wipe this off, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend the edges as well. And that just helps calm it down. And what this basically is doing is giving a very nice warm undertone color. And it's definitely a warm brown look. A lot of it just came back off, look. Look how much. Like, this is a brand new towel, and now I've got to go wash it. And usually it'll last a few times. So, I'm also going to use the sides of my hand to get that area. And that usually helps blend off some of the product. And then I wipe that off. So, what would I say? I would definitely say these colors that are highlight colors or frosted colors, I would use as a, I would use them more as a top coat, if you will, and use these mattes for your base. And I feel like if I had put this color on first and then that color on top, it would have been better, to be honest. Also, I feel the need to get rid of this color between my brows. When I blended it out, it just made a mess. And I'm literally just using this towel to get that off. Also got all over my nose. Do y'all see that? A lot of fallout. There. Okay. So, I still like this palette. Don't get me wrong. I like the palette. I do not think that you would use those shimmers as a day look or even a night look. It would be something you add to the existing colors that you would use down here. You might add that on the lid, or you might add that on the brow after you have this color on there. Now let's just say I want to add some funky color, so let's add the blue. Actually it's more like a teal mint green. Y'all, it's just not been my day, has it? I am going to still use this brown, this dark brown, to line with. And I'm just going to take that straight through the lashes. There we go.